Hello everyone, welcome to the overview for week 7 of our FastTrack English course. First, you're going to prepare for Tuesday's Zoom, and that work involves finishing chapters 5 to 8 of Just Mercy and getting your assignments done, your dialectic journal, and your reflection paper. All of that is due before Zoom on Tuesday, so all the assignment folders close at 9 a.m. on Tuesday. In Tuesday's Zoom class, we'll have a DOL where we're starting to learn to incorporate sources, and we'll also talk about Just Mercy. Then you're going to prepare for Thursday's Zoom class, so you're going to complete the argument folder in college writing on In Praise of the Guilty project. Although if I were you, I would not submit the assignment till after we talk about it in our Zoom class. This is a really hard essay. It is from a scholarly journal. We are not her audience. Her audience was other law students and other lawyers, and so it's going to be a hard essay. So you're going to need help with it, and so it's going to be important that you do all of the work in college writing on it. There's even a video to help you with it. You can go ahead and try the rhetorical analysis, but you might want to save it until after we meet in our Zoom class. But at least make sure you do the reading, watch the video, and try the rhetorical analysis work. So get the work done in college writing, but maybe don't turn it in. And then you're also going to draft and submit your Say What experience. This connects to In Praise of the Guilty project, but if you haven't done the work in college writing, you can't do the Say What experience yet. So in the order you need to do them, you've got to do the work in college writing first, and then you can look at the Say What experience directions and start on there. And you're going to draft and submit it before Thursday's Zoom class. Then Thursday in Zoom, we'll do a DOL. We're going to talk about In Praise of the Guilty project, make sure that everyone understands the essay and you understand the different claims. And then we'll also talk about how to revise and look at your drafts from your Say What experience. I'll see you in Zoom on Monday for college writing and Tuesday for FastTrack. Have a wonderful weekend and let me know how I can help.